Good evening, good afternoon to all of you. This is me Arjun, and today I'm here with a topic, and that's quite familiar to you because everyone knows about this topic. This is education, the power of education, the importance of education in our life. So, today, yeah, it's correct, I'm going to speak on this topic, but not in the same rate as usually I used to do, I do, or not in the same pace, same rate, same rhythm. Today, thought to use some facial expression, body language, pace of the speech, everything. So, let's get started. Education is not only a word, it is a whole, it's a circle of your of the manner of a people, of a person. I'm not talking about this education by when you go to school, when you read something, when you write something, when you listen something, it's all about education. No, it's more than that. No education, no growth. No education, no reputation. No education, no identification. Education is the most important for everyone's life who want to grow in his life. Without education, no one gives you respect. No one gives you the no one understand you like a person. He or the one who has education, he thinks that I am the great or I am the powerful more than him. So if you want to change yourself, you need education. APJ Abdul Kalam said one thing, that if you want to change the world, use education. I mean, education is the most important weapon which can be used to change the world. But I say education is the most important weapon which can be used to change yourself. Because if you do not change yourself, how can you change the world? So you need to change first yourself. You have to change yourself, then you can change the world. Education is not just about the learning vocab and speaking English. Education is all about how you behave the people, how you talk to the people, how do you take the things, how do you face the problems, how do you encounter the problems, how do you treat the problems, how do you live your life, how do you take the things. So it's just all about the experience that you take every day. So, my friends, if you want to achieve something, I'm not talking about that the success, I'm talking about from inside. If you want to be rich from inside, if you want to be successful from inside, you need education. Or education can be anything. It's not just only about the things, it can be also an experience. If a person learns through experience, it is also part of education. If a person learns from his problem, it's also part of education. If a person learns from his bad time, from his difficulties, it's also a part of education. But the one who does not learn anything from his difficulties, from his problems, from his like experience, is not gaining education. So use education to make your life better. Thank you.